god, the sensitivity, man.
Dang, nice butt, Nico.
I've already been there. Stuck! Shut up, you sound like Mario Kart.
Why?
Bye, count on tanks away. Yeah, bye.
They're playing tic-tac-toe.
Ah! Whoa! He's right behind you guys. Guys, hurry! I went straight. He's not there. Ah!
Oh.
Ah! Dude, he's right behind you. I had to scream so loud because he was right behind us. Oh, he's behind us. Okay. Dude, ah! Please don't be right. Oh! Oh! What? Goodness. Okay.
Hurry! No, he's right. Oh no, he's gonna kill me.
Ah! Where are we going?
I don't know. I'm just following you, Nico.
Where are you? Where's Dakota? Where are you? Oh, I see you. I'm dead, dude. No, don't go that way, Dakota.
Everybody run towards Dakota.
Oh, he's right there. Okay, he teleported. Oh, no, he's right behind you. No! Ah! Ah! He's right behind you.
He's killing me.
Shut up!
Here you go.
Left.
No! He's killing me.
Yes, we have.
Help! I found Nico. Nico,
Where are you? He's coming. We should have went left, dude. Why did we go this way?
No, wait up.
Dude, he's getting on your butt, dude. He's coming in hot. Coming in hotter than Then he teleported.
No, he's right by us. No. I ain't gonna make it.
He's behind us. Go, go, go. Ah! God dang it, man.
He ain't there no more.
He didn't teleport in front of us. What is that? It sounded like a pole broke.
No, he's moving. He actually can't freaking walk. I'm dead.
Are you really? What is that noise?
I don't know.
I'm booking.
I see you guys.
He's right behind us.
Come over here, guys. There's a tape in this room. I know there is.
Where have you been here, dude?
No! There's two of them! I'm dead, homies.
Let us into a trap.
I keep hearing. That's the second time he's like popped up almost in my screen because he's like. Blah, 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 blah.
God dang it.
Just one more tape.
My legs are actually kind of shaking now.
Dude, I gotta. Oh! Whatever.
What's this? We've never been here. I hear it!
Get it! Get it!
I got it!
We got it! We freaking...
What are we doing?
What happened to the flashlight?
Boys?
Guys!
I'm red!
Oh! Whoa! Oh, what the?
hands turned red.
Oh, that was one of the
That
hardest
took us 30
difficulty,
minutes.
too. Holy crap.
7. How long did it go to get one? Jeez,
Oh my
man.
goodness.
Kinda just laugh for everything.
I want to see our replay, dude. Dang, look at us go. Look how many times I get lost, though. Dang.
That big circle we went in.
I know, that is a big circle. Looks like the United States. We kept going the same way.
Yeah, we did. What the heck are we doing? Cole got lost on me. We didn't go in the middle enough. That was our problem.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we just lost each other right there. Goodness.
Oh, right in the middle. That's where we finished off. We should try a different map now. Why do you have a red hand?